guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Maureen Adwera and I am back again with a new video. And in today's video we are still back in the village, and today is on 31st. So we're just bored in the village and we decided to just have a photo shoot as we wait to usher in the new year. So right now we're just preparing for the photo shoot. So guys, if you happen to be watching this video for the first time, please consider subscribing, turn on the post notification button so that anytime I upload a video you get notified, and so that you don't miss out on any video that I post. And to my returning viewers, thanks for the support. Thanks for always being there and watching my videos. I appreciate the support and I always nawapenda sana kama kawaida. So guys, stick around and just watch as we do our photo shoot and as we usher in the new year. So happy new year in advance and mapenzi tele kama kawaida. So now I was putting on my false lashes as I was still preparing to do the photo shoot. And by the way, I forgot to carry my gel back in the village. That's why mnaona hizo nywele za dengu hapo. And there's nothing I could do about it. So I just did my shoot with them, but actually hata zikutoka vibaya. Wait. And there you go. The lash is one side of the eye is already fixed. And it's kosawa kabisa, imeingia vizuri. So on to the next eye. Mjipange pale. Gai, Liana na mwaka maziwa.
Leta mama. Kama mama.
Sasa jipanga aje. Ama nyoto mwanze kwanza. Trying to arrange them for the shoot, and by the way we are doing the shoot with my phone because we didn't carry the camera. And I'm also going to post the photos at the end of this video. Guys, so it's midnight and we DIY'd our fireworks using steel wool because we also wanted to have that feeling of fireworks as we were celebrating, ushering in the new year 2022. And I am telling you, it looked exactly like kulikuwa na fireworks. It was beautiful. It's officially 2022 and we are so excited. We are so happy because God has given us another chance to see another new year, and let's make the most out of this year. And I pray for my fans, for those who are viewing, that may this year come with blessings and may it bring abundant blessing into your family. So guys, we've just woken up. It's around 11 in the morning. So we woke up late because yesterday we slept late. Of course, we were waiting for the celebration to usher in the new year. And because we woken up late, so there's nothing much we are going to do. We're just lazing around. We are planning to, of course, unajua tuko Luhyaland na chakula ni lazima. So we are planning to cook some. We are not going for an outing again. We are going to celebrate in the celebrate kwa boma na family, and we like it like that because it was our time to come back and bond. And the fundis are still going on with their work, as you can see. Bado mafundi wanaendelea na kazi, so there's nothing much to do apart from we just prepare some lunch kidogo, we share with the fundis, then do a little dinner in the evening with the family together, share our last meal kwa boma because we are traveling back to the city tomorrow in the morning. So guys, it has been a very beautiful break. We've enjoyed it, and I hope you've also enjoyed yours wherever you are. And let's continue thanking God and praying for better things in more years to come, not only this year but in more years to come. So right now, nothing much. And my sister-in-law, she's also left to go say hi to the mother. So that's why there's nothing much happening. So I'm just waiting for her to come back, so that at least we prepare something for the family in the evening. And then we call it a day, or we call it a year. Na tunafunga mwaka hivyo. So tunashukuru kwa yale yote Mungu ametenda. So we prepare a small thing too. Hapa our mzee Dan was doing his thing. He was bisecting. Is it bisecting? Alikuwa na katakata our kuku. You know, in Luhyaland this is gold, so you don't joke with it. You take, unaona vile amekaa vizuri akikata. So alikuwa na katakata so that we prepare it for our dinner. And ndio hiyo hapo sasa inaendelea kuiva, and it's very late in the evening. And also preparing our chapos. So we're just basically just going to have chapati and kuku. Hii chakula huku Luhyaland uchezi nayo. You prepare them with respect, or else unarudi nyumbani. I was told if I prepare it badly, I'll be sent back home. So Haki, since coming to Shags, our work has just been cooking and eating. Just added a lot of weight that I need to work on when I go back to the city. Huku ni kukula tu. Every time ni kupika tu na kukula. But anyway, that's what holidays are for. Just eating and relaxing. very short and fun, memorable holiday. We are now traveling back to the city. So today it's first, and we are traveling back to the city to go back and hustle. And I was trying to record some. Are they baboons? I wanted to show you, but sizipati vizuri. I don't know why. There's one crossing the road. So yes, guys, so finally we are back in Nairobi, and we thank God for the safe travels. We thank God for the safe journey back in the city. And as I wind this video, I just want to remind you kindly, those who are still watching my videos and haven't subscribed to, please consider subscribing, so that you help me grow this family, and so that you help me grow my channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notification button, so that anytime I upload, I like to say post, that's why longisha kidogo, so that anytime I upload, you see, anytime I post my videos, you don't miss out on anything. And because I have this year, I'm praying to God to bring new and very good content. So keep it right in this channel and don't leave. And also give my videos a thumbs up, drop a comment. It will really support my channel. And so it's around 7:30 in the evening. We just tumefika kitu like 30 minutes ago, and we are just doing some unpacking. Unajua kutoka home, some unpacking and packing hapa na pale. And I also want to pack my Christmas decoration, because the season is over and we have to start even maisha ya kuhustle tena. So, and we are ready for it. Tuko tayari kuhustle. So guys, this is just it. Let's meet up again on my next vlog, which I'm so excited about. Still going to show you some videos about how tulikuwa nyumbani before I start our DIY videos and deco things. So bado kidogo mtaona vitu za nyumbani, though si sana, but let's just stick around and wait for new and good content. So until my next video guys, mapenzi tele.